Okay, now it's gonna be, so go through that code. Could you click the code that's, yeah, here. So it asks you something, it asks you how many sides will the shape have. You need to put the number. No, you didn't put anything. So say for example, you want to have a triangle. So for triangle, we have 3 sides. 3 sides. So we need to, it's okay, just run it again, I think. You need to run it again.
Can I stop sharing? Or should I just keep sharing?
Keep it. It's okay. Let's see. Say something. Can I see your code again? Your not code. The error.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Invalid. La 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 la. Okay. Let's run it again. Close this one. Close the shell.
This one.
That you have.
Something else.
Yeah, and then run it.
Yes. So 3.
Yep. And then press enter. It's working now.
Okay, now it works.
Yeah, just a bit coming in a different direction. So, and Corey, you're fine. So we just go forward, and next time you can share your work as well. You happy? That's back. Yeah. Okay. Let's go forward.
Why are you dabbing?
Sorry?
Oh, he's just dabbing.
So I'm going to use another 4 here. Like if I say, for example, for I in range, I'm going to back the code, but for now, I'm going to say use 2 full loops in one, together. So we're gonna nest it, the second 4 in the first one. Say just easy. Let's see, 100 times. Oops. And then again use 4 in range 4, and say again as forward 100 times. What do you think is going on here? What do you think? What's the difference? If I use one for loop in another one. So this second 4, it's belonging to first. Forget about this one. I'm going to just divide it by the break.
Hashtag?
Hashtag. It's hashtag is for comment. Yeah, hashtag. Do you know hashtag? We use hashtag here to put the comment. For example, for saying what we have done so far. So I say I'm going to use nested for loop. So what is happened when Python is going to run each line by each line from the top to the bottom. When it's going through this hashtag, it just doesn't care about this. It doesn't go to execute it and go through the other codes that we want to put there. So it's just skip it every time. We put this kind of comments to help you understand what we have done and what does it mean each code. So you can do it. You can, every class that we have, you can put comments, and if you forgot next time, just go through the comments and you remember what we have done and what we learned. So I'm going to do it after this one. It's more. So what do you think, guys? We have here with 4 loops. Okay. For now, I'm going to comment for all of those. I don't like to.
So we're just gonna like make them all like hashtags.
Hashtags. Don't. Yeah, we can put hashtags for all of those that we don't need it now, but we need it later. So try to. Corey, do you want to tell me that what does it mean, these codes? Who can tell me? Okay, I'm going to explain it. So the first one is say I in range 4. So for 4 times, it's going to mastic going forward 10 pixel, and then it's happened 4 times. It's happened here first, and then here it's going to execute again 4 times. So this one first, this one and this one. So if let me just say more that we can see.
Georgie?
Sorry?
Do we have to do 2 of them?
Yeah. Do we?
Say it again, Harry.
Do we have to do both 2?
No,
Or
no.
the 4?
Good question, Harry.
Yeah, it's one different thing.
Very good question.
So if I'm going to make a very complex, I'm going to use another 4 inside the final 4. So for making more understandable, I'm going to say, okay, after one time, listen, I'm going to do 1 time left, then it's going to backward, or let's say again, yeah, backward 10 or forward, doesn't matter. I'm saying the different way. And then now let's
What's that sound? It's like, what is that sound?
Guys, who makes sound? Don't distract other people. Do that, okay?
I'm not making it.
See what I have? Very funny. I can change it. We can do it. Mizuki, could you please write whatever we have here and change the number?
Yeah, of course.
Change the number and see if you can make shapes.
Those are some weird shapes.
It
It
is
kind of looks like a flower. If it kept going, it would look like a flower. That's pretty.
You can make different shapes as well by changing forward, going backward, forward numbers. Or here, I'm going to say 20. You can change always the number and see if you're happy with the shape that you have or not. It's going somewhere. I always change the number and see what I have. It's like fish. Kind of fish. Very fat fish. Okay, I'm going to explain how does it go. How
What is that?
I'm going to show you what does it mean this code, how it's executed. So I'm going to just use pen to how actually Python painting our codes. The first one is a bit, I need to make it here. So the first one is going to say forward 15 pixels. 50 pixels, so not a very nice. Okay, 50 is it this course? And then
Yes, exactly. So now I must run this mod. Stop laughing.
You ask around everyone that's around you to be quiet because we get distracted.
Harry, can you be quiet?
Now listen. Okay, the first one, it's okay. Mizuki. Okay, the first one is messy forward 50 times. So I got one straight forward 50 pixel and then say left 20. So left 20, I'm going to change my direction 20. So here, if you see, so 20 this way, 20. That's a degree, 20 degree. I try to make it neat, 20 degrees. So from this way that we have, oops, where's gone? So from here, this one, it stays just 20 degree. And now I'm here, except for I in range 4, massive forward. So from here, I need to go forward 50. So for example, all sides should be similar, should be 50 pixels. And here, say massive left 20. Again, I'm going to do, so as we have 20 degrees, so 20 degree in here is 20 degree, the same degree that we have. So the thirds are going to do same. We are here in messy. Then I'm going back here. I'm not going again here. I'm going back in this line because we have to do it 4 times. Whenever we finish 4 times, we're going to back here. So for now, I'm going to back backward 50 again. So from here, I'm going to make this like that actually, 20 degree. And then it's asked me again, left 20. So it could be same. If I say 20 degree here, or this way, doesn't matter. So it's going to 20 degree this way. Put the 50 pixel, and then again. So how many times? 1, 3, another time, 4 times, for example, 50. And then when it's finished, it's going to back here. So it's going to say again, 1 time here, 1 time here, and then 4 times here. So all time is going to execute 5 times in the loop. So instead of just 1 time here and 2 times, it just happen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. You should say 4 multiple 5. How much? 4 multiple 5?
20.
20. So it's happened 20 times. These 2 loops is happened 20 times. By saying here 1 time here, 5 times here, 4 times here. So it's 5. Back to this one. So if you go through and change your code, who wants to show me the shape that made?
There's like an error or something.
Mommy. What's the error? Could you?
Like when I like trying, it says invade syntax or something.
You need to share it.
Should I like share the desktop
Yes, please.
or just one thing?
Yeah, mine's also having a problem. It says onion does not match any outer indentation level.
I got a pretty cool shape.
Oh, okay, we'll share it with us in Teams. So, it looks okay, but there is a mistake in 4. For I, what?
Oh, in range. Okay, thank you.
The same as, yeah, no worries. The same in the second 4 as well. Harry, would you like to share your shape? What shape you have?
Share mine? Okay. It's my card.
It's cool. It look like I don't know what's it called, but from the other side, like a book from this.
Oh, yeah. Looks like a half, like the sides of a cylinder, like half.
Oh yeah,
Half the sides of the cylinder.
yeah, that's true. And you can change your numbers, see if you get different shapes. Even you can get a triangle, very artistic way, or circle with different circles.
It looks like the bottom of a table.
Could be, yeah. It makes our imagination work.
That here on the bottom.
Corey, did you change your numbers in quotes to see what we have?
Pardon?
Did you change every one of us, once we have a different numbers in your code and see what we're gonna have as the shape, different unique shape. What's your unique shape?
Well, I haven't changed it yet.
You can change, see. You too, Mizuki, you can change your.
It's a weird line. It's not a shape. It's a weird line.
Just line?
Yeah, it's like this, it's like, and then it like comes back up.
What about if you change so if you change angles, what do you do? You know, by saying different numbers in left.
But the door's not closed properly.
Mine doesn't do it. Mine just takes me to Python shell.
What do you mean?
I'll share my screen.
Yeah, okay, sure.
Oh, yeah.
So whenever I do that, run module,
Hello, yes.
and then it just takes me to Python shell. That.
And undefined doesn't. Okay, you see, you should be make sure everything that you put in the first for loop should be in the same line. So if you see the line that it makes a red line,
But I don't know what the red line means.
there are Corey.forward 10 and then Corey.left 10, and the next loop is not in the same line. That is should be in the same. Just put the second for a bit forward in the same.
What?
The second loop that you have inside the nested loop. Yeah, that's one. Should be in the same line with the previous code. No. If you did that, that means they're not belonging to first loop. We want to every one of those belong to with.
Is that it?
Okay, let's see what we have. It's not the things that we have, but let's see. You didn't make a comment, so you need to put, you didn't make a comment in questions, so you need is ask you a question about how many sides will be here in the shell.
Oh yeah, you gotta go to here and then.
Yeah, okay. It doesn't matter for now because you haven't used it in your, okay? Just put the.
Let's see this.
So, but for more understanding, do something. Put the comment. That's we use hash. We use hash tag for every single lines that we have before two loops. So if you put hashtags for question, for sites, for all of those before, could you do it now?
Do what?
Corey, put the hashtag before question, before sites.
For this.
Yeah.
There.
Before, you know, at the first character. So go at the beginning part of the question. So go to the. No, not here. Okay, have a look at, I'm going to back to my code. Have a look to my code, how I put this. Yeah. Nope. Here, come here. See my, could you see my screen?
Yes, I can.
See, I put the sharp here. This one doesn't make sense, but I just put the line as a decoration.
Okay.
This one, that means I ask Python to don't execute my code. You can do it for question, side, and angle as well, till here. Got it? But I move forward to show you how I can use the character, the number that I ask from the user here. So the same that we done here, I'm gonna say for I in range size. So I'm gonna ask the user how many size. I'm gonna use the variable here, the size that we ask here, and then the angles that we divided from the size. So now you can change your codes as well, like this, and see what you have. So here, ask me how many sides. I'm going to say 5, and then press enter. Going that way. Make it bigger. doesn't show me. But it's something like, let's say 2.
What?
Just going and back. It does 2 doesn't make any shape. Doesn't make any actually. So I'm going to say at least 3.
1.
1 is just a line again.
Oh wait. Yeah, 3 works. And it just makes a ninja style looking thing.
Mm-hmm. So you can use the variable as say sides instead of the number you put here. So sides, and then for left, put the angles right here. I'm gonna delete this one. We don't need it anymore. What if I put 4? Mark the shape.
Looks so cool.
Yeah, it is. You can make cool things as well.
Ah, we made a tiny little shape. Okay, let's
Made
try.
like a lolly wrapper shape.
Try.
Would you like to share it,
Wait.
Aaron, with us?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Do you want me just to run the shape of the code as well?
Yeah, you can just run it. You can show us, you know, when it's running. I like to see how it's drawing. Wow, that's cool. So I'm really curious, what's your code?
How do you do that?
You're changing the numbers. So could you share the codes as well?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, cool.
This one.
Okay, so you did 4 times every time, and then 50. But you changed the angles to 40. That's why it's ended up with a very cool shape. And then could you run it now again?
Yeah,
I want to see how it's drawing. It's
Whoa.
can't just new share. Okay, you can see how it's getting built.
It doesn't show us how it's drawing. No.
Oh, okay. Okay.
You have to make it
Just
Nice.
run
20.
module.
Delete.
And it's gone. I'm having technical difficulties. I can't show my. I can't show it.
Okay.
I can't show how it's getting drawn. I can just show what the finishing touches look like.
You should like share it before you run it. So you like share it and then you run it afterwards.
Yeah, I can't do that.
can't-
So I'm running model, and then stop sharing.
Okay, I can do this. I can show you how it's happened. So what's it saying? I can't do it.
So I'm sharing the
Have a look here.
Yeah.
I did the same that you done. So forget about all this thing. I put this on the comment. So. It's like that. That's the hands like that. Cool. Like it. Yeah. Have a. Yeah.
When I try to do it, it says unexpected incident.
Okay. Yeah, please share it with me.
Salah.
Let's see what's the problem.
Can you do it for me?
Yeah, I can.
Oh, no. You haven't put the comments in 2 chords after the first for loop. So here you need to put the comments.
Is it running? Did you run it?
Yeah, I did.
You need to put the hash. Yeah, that's 2. Hashtag. You know how to put hashtag others to just press shift with 3. Okay, cool. We're about to finish, but just run this one, see if you have any problem. And there is something happen. Oh, show it again because you have a problem. You have a something mistake. In your second loop, it's not belonging to first loop. Because, you know that? Because what?
Like that.
Harry, could you tell others that what's the problem here?
It's when I get weird shapes.
So in the second for loop, you should put it inside in the same line. That's mean, you know, in the same line that you have for forward and left. See my code?
Yeah.
This one is all in the same line. Then these 2 codes are belonging to these 4. That's why they are in a 1 step forward.
Oh, awesome.
Oh, wow, 3, cool. Your 3 is a bit big on the top.
Music, did you get it?
Yeah, I'm doing what it looks like on your screen. Okay, so wait.
Just remember, whenever we need to put in a loop, should be in the same line. Otherwise, if I put it 1 step back, see what's happened. We don't have the same shape that we have. This is a different shape because it's a different chords here. These 2 are belonging to these 4.
Changing number.
Yeah, it does a really, really weird shape. Well, it's not really a shape.
It's not the same shape that I expected. Yeah, so that's because these 4 are not belonging to these 4 anymore. It's not nested. When I put 1 step forward, that's the same, if you see my cursor going, same line, straight than the other one. That means they are belonging to this loop. Now I can execute and see I have the same result. Copy your codes, Harry. Thank you. And everybody hope enjoy the class today. And tell me if you have any question. The last question you can have. Nothing?
No questions.
Okay. Just you can practice at home whenever you have time and go through the different numbers.
Unexpected answer.
Sorry?
Oh, it's nothing. There's just another unexpected incident.
That's fine. You can go through a different code, different numbers, and then yeah,
Oh, what?
you're gonna have
It
different.
made an even weirder shape.
That's fine. That's nice to have a weird shape. You can make your imagination go through your shape. What does
It's
it?
not real. It's not really a shape.
That's fine.
It's like
It's okay. Okay.
weird. How do you do that?
Okay, we run out of time for now, and hope you enjoyed, and see you next time, guys.
Bye.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye. See you next class. Bye-bye.
Bye.